How to recover Temu account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, launch your Temu application from your device. Now once you do so, you will land onto a page like this. In here, you will see a sign in button. Let's go ahead and tap onto it. If you don't see this button, just tap on Use section. Then here also you will see sign in/register. Let's go ahead and tap onto it. Now at this page, you have to add your email address. Let's go ahead and do that. Now at this page, you have to tap on Trouble Signing In option. Now you will see two options. If you have registered your account using an email address, but you have forgotten your password, you can tap on Reset Your Password button. But in case you have forgotten your account and you don't know what your account looks like, you can tap on Find Your Account. For today's video, let's go ahead and tap on Reset Your Password. Now at this page, you have to type in your email address. Once done, tap on Submit. Now a verification code has been sent to your email address. Go ahead and open up your email. You will receive an email like this from Temu. Let's go ahead and copy your code. Open up our Temu app and just paste the code here. Now as you enter your code, you will be directed towards this page where you can create a strong password for yourself. Make sure that you create a strong password and make also sure that it is 8 characters. Once you do so, tap on Submit. And likewise, just enter your email address here, tap on Continue, and at the next page, enter your new password, then tap on Sign In. Just like so, this is how you can recover your Temu account. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.